Hi, Vivian. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hmm? You were just talking to me. What are you talking about? Look at those feetsies go. Kick your feet, kick your feet, kick your feet, kick your feet. Yay! Kick, 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 kick. Such a good kicker. Are you gonna have a good day? Yes. Yes. You found your feetsies. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Daddy's gonna take you to school. Mommy's gonna take Charlotte to school. I love you. I do. Oh, get your feet. Get your feet. They're so cute. Oh. Okay.